everyone, my name is Sofia Ova Octaviani, a physiotherapy student in UPN Veteran Jakarta, and today I am presenting a study titled The Relationship Between Progress Tracking Posts and Motivation of Running in the Chibi Runners Club. In this day and age, posting running progress on social media has become an everyday habit among runners, especially those who use fitness apps. For many, this practice serves not just to document workouts but also to express themselves, seek encouragement, and stay accountable. In Indonesia alone, more than 191 million people actively use social media, accounting for nearly 69% of the total population. Among the most popular platforms are Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter, each with over 100 million users. These platforms are not only spaces for self-expression but also powerful tools that shape fitness culture and influence motivation, especially among younger and digitally connected population. However, what's unclear is the physiological effect behind this behavior. Does it truly enhance motivation? Or might it also introduce pressure or lead to negative comparison? So, the study aims to explore that gap, the connection between motivation types in running and how often runners post their progress by social media. So, previous studies provide valuable insight into this topic. For example, research by Kim in 2024 suggests that fitness self-representation boosts motivation through social media support. Similarly, in Han et al. In 2022 confirmed a strong link between motivation and location-based social media. However, not all findings are optimistic. An example, Best et al. In 2024 point out that social media can also amplify perceived barriers such as lack of time. The studies collectively show a positive but complex relationship between social media and exercise habits. Yet, very few directly address the type of motivation, especially using structured framework like the 3x2 7 goal framework, which classifies motivation into self, task, and other-based goals. Both approach and avoidance-oriented. Therefore, the study fills an important gap, like examining this nuanced relationship between motivation type and the behavior of posting running progress. And for the methods, this was a quantitative correlational study involving 100 members of the Chibi Runners Club, a running community that is active both offline and online. I used the A7 Goal Questionnaire for Sport, or AGQS, adapted to fit 3x2 motivational framework, which includes task approach and avoidance, self approach and avoidance, and other approach and avoidance goals. Each participant also reported how often they post their running progress, allowing me to explore potential correlation. Though this approach not only helps us to understand whether there's a relationship, but also what kind of motivation that aligns with whether intrinsic, self-reference, or externally driven. Although my full analysis is still ongoing, and early indications show that runners who post progress more frequently tend to score higher on self-approach and other approach goals, this suggests that they are motivated by both personal improvement and social media validation. Meanwhile, fewer connections are seen with task avoidance or self-avoidance goals, which might reflect a lower association between posting and fear-driven motivation. These insights may help running communities, fitness coaches, and app developers create more supportive environment by recognizing the motivation diversity of users and how social media affects them differently. Okay, thank you for listening. See you.